Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear.
Welcome to Vlogmas,
Frosty
day 8.
snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up
I'm outside
waiting
at
for
Aunt Missy's house,
sundown.
and we're gonna head to the Butler this morning. They have their annual Christmas event down there. A lot of vendors just selling their things, but I love the Butler. It's so beautiful inside, so I'm really excited to bring you guys along. So like I said, I'm just waiting for her to make her way out here to the car. And then I gotta come home, make the appetizers, and get ready for our holiday neighborhood crawl, which really should be a lot of fun tonight. So it's gonna be a fun-filled day today. All right, guys, so we are here at the Butler, and I'm really looking forward to this. My first experience. Aunt Missy's been here every year?
Almost
Every year. How gorgeous is this? Let's go ahead inside.
Here we are, a cold December night. Snowflakes fall, wonderful, magical. It's that time when everybody smiles, eyes are shining bright. I still remember how I used to feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magical time of the year. Mistletoe hanging everywhere, waiting to declare that love is here.
I am home and starting to make the appetizers. Excuse the background noise. Actually, Mark is vacuuming just a couple of our little area rugs for me. I'm watching Christina Brawley's Christmas, and I'm making the first appetizer, the hanky panky. All right, so I'm talking loud because of the vacuum. So I'm gonna add a pound of Italian sausage, a pound of ground meat. I'm chopping up 1 onion. I'm gonna go ahead and brown those, and then we'll add the cheese next.
Here we are, a cold December night. Snowflakes fall, wonderful, magical. It's that time when everybody smiles, eyes
Here
are
we have some cut up
shining
kielbasa,
bright.
some club soda on the bottom, sprinkle with some brown sugar, and for added touches, we put a little bit of barbecue sauce in. Just gonna let this sit in the crock pot on low until our party. Well, I've got everything ready to go, so we changed our minds and decided to put the kielbasa in the oven because I like when it gets real crispy on top. And then I've got, of course, you saw me make the hanky pankies. They're all cooked, they're done. I have them in the fridge for now. I'm gonna pull them out here before I head over to our neighbor's house, and that way they get more like room temperature. And then I'll pop them in the oven, and then let me show you. Could I show you the other thing I was doing? Not sure if I did or not. So I got these shells, and I went ahead and cut a bunch of little pieces of brie cheese. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the brie cheese in each of those, the little pieces. Then we're gonna top it with a little bit of cranberry sauce and some pecan chips, and then just a little bit of sprig of rosemary, and just put them in the oven for like 15 minutes. So those are the 3 appetizers that we're gonna have here at our house. I've got the wine out, And we've got beer, everything loaded up. Oh, wait till I share with you about this fridge over here. You guys, I love it, and it's so perfect for our kitchen. I can't wait to tell you guys more about it. But everything's loaded up in there that we need. I've got to change and freshen up. I'm not sure what I want to wear yet tonight. But let's do some advent calendars while we chill out for a little bit. So today is, of course, Vlogmas Day 8. Let people in front of you in line or in traffic. I did drive today, but I really didn't have traffic wherever I was today. But again, that's something I can remember to do. And I normally do that anyway when I drive. So, okay, let's see what's in drawer 8 here. Drawer 8. Okay, see if I can read this without glasses. Upside down. Okay, so here it is. I'm not sure if it's going to focus or not, you guys, but it says, leave a positive message for someone else to find. And I love that. I'm going to do that tonight. For Mark, he's here, but he can't hear me, so that's why I'm sort of whispering close to the camera. But I'll leave him a nice positive message because he was so helpful today. And there you have it. Well, like I said, while we're doing advent calendars, let's go ahead and do number 8. All right. Oh my goodness, I love this Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X. This is what I think it is. This stuff is great. Okay, so yes, this is what I thought it was. I'm trying to get closer so you guys can see. Oh my gosh, my battery's dying. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this thing charged up for tonight. Okay, so this is in what was in my QVC. We're gonna just bag the chocolates today because I just don't have time. And let's see what's in. Oh, I happened to look and here's 8 right here. So we're gonna do this quick. Then I'm gonna chill out for a while. Pick out my outfit, charge up this battery, and that way I can film our neighborhood crawl. Oh, probably another body lotion. Yeah, I'm really loving this because I love this stuff, so I could not be more happy with body stuff. Hey, this is a coconut body lotion, and it smells really good. I think it's a body lotion, but I can't read it right now without my glasses, but it's coconut anything I'm gonna love. So these were 2 really good things today out of the 2 advent calendars. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, get this battery charged up, pick out my outfit, and show you guys what I picked out, and then get my final touches done for it. I look like a complete mess. I've been in this kitchen all afternoon thinking it was gonna be simple and easy, these 3, and they are easy, just that, I don't know, I feel like I've been in the kitchen for like hours. So I'm gonna chill out and start editing this so I don't know if it's gonna get out tonight. I really don't. I always say that, and then I always feel bad, and I wanna get it out for you guys. But I mean, by the time this neighborhood crawl is over, I don't even know what time that's gonna be. And yeah, okay, my battery's blinking. I gotta go get it charged. overall the house looks so pretty. So I've got all my, of course, all the Christmas lights. And little Archie's ready too for all the neighbors. And I've got my table here set up. This is gonna be all for appetizers, some plates, napkins, toothpicks for some of the appetizers. And over here are the little hanky pankies, just gonna be in the oven just to warm up. Whoopsie, this must have fell over. Look at how pretty these came out, you guys. They have to go in the oven yet, but they're little pastry shells with the brie cheese and a little bit of the cranberry sauce, pecan, little chopped pecans, and little sprigs of rosemary. And then here are my kibbasis. They're already done and ready to go. So I've got my station on here in the kitchen with some beautiful Christmas scenery. And of course the Steelers are playing tonight, so we're gonna have to have that game on for the guys, but I'm gonna have Alexa play some Christmas music. But everything looks so beautiful and ready for our night tonight. Oh, and I show you the outside, how pretty it looks. Oh, I got this cute, this kind of velourish off the shoulder shirt. I got some, I don't know, see if you guys can see my faux leather pants on and some booties. But let me show you how pretty this looks. I wonder if I should turn the light off or not. Huh? Well, we'll see. But I lit these little lanterns out here, so I'll show you. First of all, look how pretty my neighbor's house looks. So pretty. But here's, I don't know if I showed you guys the outside. So this is my my little window box. I put all kinds of beautiful sparkly bulbs. Here's the DIY that we did last year. Here's my Christmas lights, my Merry Christmas sign, my gorgeous wreath that I made this week at Fodor's. This little one, the lights stopped for some reason. We got to put new lights on. Here's just the front lights, and look at these little lanterns. They're copper lanterns, and I lit these along our walkway. So when our neighbors come to the house, looks all pretty. And here's Archie. Archie, you ready? Got to share. I too have these lanterns on the front porch with some beautiful, it's hard to tell with the lighting here, some bulbs. So there you have it. Just wanted to show you just more of the decor, how pretty, pretty, pretty. Everything looks, I want to put the fireplace on as soon as I run over. The first house is next door, so I'll leave about 5 minutes, 10 minutes before everyone else does Jackie's house. Mark and Jackie's, and then I'll come home, light the fireplace, put the switch on, and just light some candles. And of course, Christmas music. You gotta have festive Christmas music. All right, this is gonna be simple. The first house of the crawl tonight is over my neighbor Jackie's house. Look at how pretty it looks. All right, let the festive holiday crawl in our neighborhood begin. Okay, this is the first house. There's Cappy, Archie's little buddy. Our buddy girl. And look at how pretty. I love your lights, Jackie. They're so pretty. And her mantle. Everything looks so pretty and festive. I love this. Is this real?
Yeah.
I mean, this is the perfect tree.
Yes, it's a con color from Hearst Tree Farm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love it.
Usually we have a 10-foot, but we downsized this year.
You know what? I love it though. I love the lights. It's so pretty. All right, this is, look at how Jackie, everything looks so gorgeous. I love your plates and napkins. Oh my goodness, what do you have here?
I love it here too. I have hard salami.
Okay.
And sandwich pepperoni.
Yummy.
With different types of olives.
Ooh.
And it's a cream cheese, herb garlic mixture.
In here?
Yes.
Oh, and then what's this real quick?
And then this is a hot sausage dip.
Oh, yum.
And these are meatballs.
Oh, that looks so good. And this looks phenomenal.
And that's a pepper dip. Sweet pepper
I
dip.
love that. More down here. This is a gorgeous basement. So pretty.
Thirsty.
So we came home real quick. I got the Christmas music on, the fireplace on, the candles lit. I got the 2 appetizers here warming up in the oven. So as soon as they come out, I'll go ahead and put this tray in. So I got, like I said, the candles lit. There's everything for the table. I think I showed you guys this already. Fireplace on. So it looks festive. Of course, the darn football game, which, hey, it's Steelers. Yay, okay. And so yeah, just waiting for everyone to come. I love my fridge. Oh, can't wait to share this more with you. my wine glasses, wine. We got, like I said, white wine, beer inside of here too. So we're ready. Oh my goodness, you should see our neighbors. My one neighbor has like a Christmas kind of suit on. It is so hilarious. So most of our neighbors have never seen our house before, so I'm really looking forward to entertaining them. Each house is going to be about 50 minutes, so they should be over here probably in about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after our house, we go to our neighbors Joe and Sue. We're going to go to Cindy and George and then end up at Tom's. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We got probably about 20 people, which is really, really a lot of fun. Everything looks at night. Looks so nice. Our little neighborhood. We have like the nicest neighbors, you guys. We really do. So now off to Joe and Sue's. I've only been inside their house once when they actually moved in. And so it's been quite a while, but I love all the white lights. Looks just so pretty. All right. We're gonna head on in to house number 3. How pretty. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. So now we're off to the last house, Cindy, no, the 4th house, Cindy and George. We've been having so much fun, huh, Jack? Pretty this looks. We just got home from the neighborhood crawl, festive holiday crawl, and it was a lot of fun. Went to 5 houses and had some great appetizers and cocktails and listened to fun music, and so it was just a really great time. We had some new neighbors we got to meet. They are all so super sweet, and they fit in perfectly with all of us. So we really had a good time. So it's 11:30. I need to get editing this vlog so I can get it out to you guys tonight. And then I'm not sure what we have going on tomorrow, so we're just gonna see what the day brings. But I want to say thank you as always for hanging out with me today. Hope you guys subscribe, share this video, all my Vlogmas videos. Give us a thumbs up, and I will see you